welcome back to my kitchen. Well, today we are going to cook a humble, easy and delicious red lentils recipe with jackfruit seeds of the Hajong tribe from Northeast India. This dish is quite special at the onset of monsoons where the red lentils are boiled with jackfruit seeds and khar, making the simple dal hearty. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Red lentils, jackfruit seeds which I have peeled and rinsed, green chilies, roughly pounded ginger, khar and salt. Now let's start cooking. To begin, take a pressure cooker and add your washed split red lentils, slit green chilies, salt, roughly pounded ginger, jackfruit seeds and 2 cups of water. Place the lid on the cooker and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Once the pressure is completely released, open the lid and turn on the stove on a low flame. Now add your khar or baking soda, Once the lentils achieves your desired consistency, our dal khar with tahol bisi is ready. The jackfruit seeds are cooked and the dal tastes yummy, which will surely satisfy your taste buds when had with some steamed rice and fried potatoes. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and do give it a big thumbs up. If you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification for travel and food updates.